Hi there, students. Contrite, an adjective. Contritely, the adverb. And contrition, the noun. Okay, contrition is that feeling of regret when you've done something wrong. He was contrite and wrote me a letter of apology. So, contrite, this is when you feel sad because your conscience is pricking you. You shouldn't have done that. That was very bad. You should feel contrite after what you did yesterday. The child looked at me contritely after I caught him stealing chocolate. Often people can say they're sorry, but they don't feel contrite. They're just saying sorry to try to diffuse the situation. So contrite, full of remorse, apologetic, repentant, penitent, guilt-ridden, regretful. Yeah, contrite means you feel guilty for something bad you have done, or at least you think it's bad. Full of contrition, he told me that he'd crashed my car. A really bad hangover should help you to feel contrite about drinking so much the night before. She's a master at faking contrition. She looks contrite, but it just isn't true. It's just a pose. If students contritely tell me that they haven't done their homework, I'll forgive them. I'll give them more time. But if they make up excuses, it makes me angry. So the best thing to do is just to follow your conscience. And then if you follow your conscience, only rarely when you make a terrible mistake will you feel contrite. Notice, only rarely will you feel the inversion. Okay, so when was the last time you felt contrite about something? The dog looked at me contritely, as if he knew that I was not happy about him chewing my slippers to pieces. Yeah, he looked as if he was full of contrition. Okay, next question. What about formality? Let's see, contrite. I think I'd give this a 6.5 in formality. It certainly sounds a bit literary. I think you might use it in an informal conversation, but I think to feel guilty would be a much better phrase. I feel guilty. I feel guilty about this. Yeah? I think in a semi-formal speaking or semi-formal formal writing, contrite contrition would sound really good. And then what about the origin? Well, it comes from Latin through French. In Latin we have a past participle, contritus, ground to pieces, which comes from contrire, to crush. Yeah, so you feel crushed, you feel ground to pieces because, yeah, you haven't been doing the right thing, you haven't acted in the right way. So I hope the people who missed this video feel contrite for missing it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.